When your BMW starts sounding like a Greek bouzouki at the harbor, you know it's gonna be expensive.
Colt, that's not music. That's your timing chain having a breakdown.
Kalimera, friends. Welcome to Thessaloniki. You arrived just in time. This BMW needs help.
You, famous mechanic, can you also fix my boat?
I usually work on things with four wheels, but thanks for the confidence.
This is not music, my friend. Your VANOS is on vacation, and the timing chain is crying for help.
Let me check Hubauer-Shop.de. They ship original BMW parts across Europe.
Original BMW VANOS-Solenoids and chain tensioners. More precise than any bouzouki player at this harbor.
Perfect. Now this BMW sounds like a BMW again, not like my grandfather's old fishing boat.
Mission Thessaloniki complete. When you need original BMW parts, Hubauer-Shop.de delivers, even to Greek harbors.